count. Hi guys. Oh my god, it was my birthday and you guys made it so special. Hi everybody. I know I'm 10 minutes late, actually 9 minutes late, but I was just in the middle of 20 things and I couldn't find a spot to like start this, but now I'm here. So thank you so much everyone for your wishes. इसके पहले कि ये कैंडल पूरे केक में ही पिघल जाए, मैं इसे पहले काट देती हूँ आप लोगों के साथ. So happy birthday to me. This was sent to me by my crazy lot, Tanveer, Lavanya, Kirti, and I know I'm missing out one more name, but I forgot. But I know there are 4 people who send me this. Kajol. So let me do this. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me and my crazy lot, because I am nothing without all of you. So I love you. Yay. Okay, I need this plastic out because this is a cheesecake. Anyway, I think I should not take it out. Or maybe I should. Yeah, okay, I did. Sorry, I had a call. Wrong timing. So yeah, here is the cheesecake that my lovely people sent for me. Let me remove the candle before it melts into the cake. Okay, and here is a bite for me from you guys, and I'm feeding you as well. So thank you. Oh my god, so good. It's so good. It's so good. Guys, it's really good. So thank you so much for sending this for me. And thank you everyone who sent me gifts and flowers and wishes and letters. And all of you who made a collage for me together saying happy birthday Gau. I think it was so lovely. I don't remember the last time, before Bigg Boss, how my birthdays used to be. Because Bigg Boss के बाद तो मेरा हर birthday has been just like the most amazing birthday ever, every year. All because of all of you, the kind of love you send me, the wishes you send me, how loved you make me feel. So thank you so much. I think 2 दिन से तो मेरी डाइट की बैंड बज गई है. So no worries, I'm still going to eat this because I love it so much. So good. Let me take some messages. Everybody. Hi everyone. Dia, hi. Rani Joshi, hi. We love Gaur Khan. Nitin, hi. Everyone's like belated happy birthday. Thank you. यार परसों ही था मेरा birthday. इतना भी belated नहीं है. It's fine. Glowing skin, says Nitin. Actually, I'm not even wearing anything right now, but it's glowing because I'm so happy. Also, there's a ring light right behind me, but I'm still not wearing any base or anything like that. So thank you very much. G, save it please. Okay, I will save it. That's Tina, by the way. You have any questions? What did I do? Well, I had a great time. Just with family and very, very close friends. Of course, everyone's like, hi Payal. Okay, so Payal and Ashish ji, my brother and bhabhi, they had like the most amazing dinner for me on my birthday. My only regret was that I couldn't meet Preeti Neeti because they've been shooting and Preeti refuses to meet me. But anyway, I'm going to manao her and let her meet me very soon. So that was the only missing thing in my birthday, that I didn't see her face on my birthday. But she sent me the most amazing cake, Neeti and Preeti. So yeah, everyone, this is the best birthday ever. I love you, all the things about your birthday. That's true, it is. It has been, trust me, my best birthday ever. Like 2020 for everyone has been probably tough. For me as well, very, very tough. But suddenly it has turned around to be like the best year of my life. So thank you so very much for your wishes. Hi Aneri, how are you? Love you, Dee. Love all the decor and your happiness. Thank you. And you know what the best part is? Like my crazy lot, you guys feel so happy just to see me happy, and I don't know how. I don't know how you'll get it. Like you all just get it. Like you see it in my smile. You see it in the way I am. You just get it that God is happy, and alhamdulillah, I'm always happy no matter what. But this time it was just an extra special birthday. Thank you so very much for everyone who like एक भी सेंटेंस आता है ना आप लोगों से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वाओ यार ये लोग मेरे बारे में कितना सोचते हैं. So thank you very much for that. Why are you ignoring me? Says Jasha. I don't know. I'm not ignoring you. Hi Roshni, how are you? Oh God, this is too far. 1 second. Oh yaar. Okay. Hi Roshni, how are you? ढेर सारी खुशियाँ. Thank you so much to everyone. Aman, hi. How are you, Aman? Happy birthday. Bubbly Sharma, how are you? Go Meri Jaan, how are you, Bubbly? माशाल्लाह आपको बहुत उम्र दे. थैंक यू वेरी मच रमीज. बहुत सारी दुआएं आप लोगों ने करी हैं मेरे लिए, एंड आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाट आई हैव डन इन माय लाइफ टू डिजर्व दिस, बट ऑल ऑफ यू आर जस्ट so special, so amazing, just like everything that I am, you all just reflect it into your lives, and that makes me feel so honored that आप लोग you know मेरे बारे में सोच कर कदम उठाते हैं. That's so amazing. And it is like happy seeing you happy. I miss you, but I know I really miss you. I miss you. I miss my family. My family, none of them are in India, so obviously I miss them on my birthdays and every special day in my life. So yeah, show us your gifts. Yes, all the gifts that you guys have sent, I will definitely do an IGTV for that separately. I couldn't do that today in the live. I just wanted to cut the cake for all of you and share it with you. So Gaur Khan, so hi Sneha, she says you deserve all the happiness. Thank you very much. Oh, the most beautiful day for you, princess. Thank you very much. Hey, everyone's like hey hello. So hi. What do you do alone without family? I wasn't actually alone. I had a lot of people who love me, who made my birthday so special. So I wasn't really alone. But yeah, my sisters and my brother are not in India, so I really miss them. Everyone's like reply. Hi, Hyderabad shopping store. You are so beautiful without makeup. Thank you so much. But I am wearing lipstick right now. And I'm wearing lenses, by the way. But alhamdulillah. Someone says songs zaruri tha. Yeah, that's one of my favorite songs. Thank you very much. Visit Big Boss please, says Pithika. Yeah, okay, sure, inshallah, if they call me. I'm your die-hard fan, says Being Seraj. Hi, how are you? Avni says hi. Mahira Khan, hi God, do you have any job for my brother? Oh, I'm so sorry, Mahira. Right now, I don't. Gorgeous is not functioning right now, so I'm really sorry about that. But I hope and pray that your brother gets a job really soon. Nitin says she doesn't need her makeup. Her makeup is her happiness. That's true. I love just being happy and wearing my happy side. So, yeah. People are like, hi, thumbs up, hello dear, you look so pretty, says Nihu, thank you so much. Someone says Big Boss, yay, I love Big Boss, like I'm the biggest fan of Big Boss, everybody knows that. यार इस लॉकडाउन में बाल बड़े गिर रहे हैं यार, so everybody who's telling me ना बाल बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं, नजर मत लगाओ, मेरे बाल बहुत गिर रहे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा गिर रहे हैं, so don't नजरोफाई my hair. बहुत बाल गिर रहे हैं यार. क्या आपके भी बाल गिर रहे हैं इस मॉनसून टाइम में? मेरे तो बहुत जा रहे हैं. बट इन एनी केस, हैप्पी बर्थडे. everyone's like happy birthday. Say hello Tanushree. Hi Tanushree, how are you? Did you smoke weed? Says Bob 1234. Wow, what an amazing question. I don't smoke a cigarette either, so I don't know how I would smoke weed, but I am this happy all the time, so I guess maybe you need to just be happy and not smoke weed. Anyway, from where did you get that much talent? हर चीज में अच्छे हो. Vitika, I have no idea. Maybe Allah just made me special. You know what I mean? I'm joking. But thank you so much for your compliment. That's really sweet. It was like happy birthday. Say hello, Tanzeem. Hi, how are you, Tanzeem? Stop smoking cigarettes, says somebody. I don't smoke at all. I've never had a puff in my life, so I don't know what you're talking about. Hi Zed, how are you? Come join my live. Why don't you just come join my live, because everybody knows where I am. So just come. Ma'am, कौन सा hair color है आपका? Well, right now it's a mix of two. I don't know which was the shade that I was wearing before, but then I wore Garnier recently in one of the lives, and that's kind of gotten mixed. So that was a shade 5.32, if I'm not wrong. Everyone's like, oh, Zed ka message aaya, Zed ka message aaya. Come say hi, Zed, in my live. Just come. Your window wala prank for boys, wasn't it funny? My prank was too funny. I think that series was amazing. If you haven't watched it, watch it on my page. It's in the highlight that says "Main bhi funny." It's very, very funny. I think that was hilarious. Hello, ma'am. Hi everybody. Happy birthday, says Maha Khan. Thank you so much. You are different. How do you maintain your beauty and you're super cool? Thank you so much. I know I'm different. I always say I'm like the best. No, not really. I don't know why I'm like this. God made me like this. But what is my secret of my beauty? I don't know. I think it's just about being happy and being good on the inside. When you're good on the inside, you're good on the outside. I guess. No matter what you look like, what your skin color is, what your face looks like, if your aura is beautiful, then everything is beautiful about you. That's what I believe. And yes, you had a super duper 18th birthday. Haha, Tina, so cute. Yes, I just turned 18, guys. That's true. I know I definitely look like it, but come. Okay, so we got a surprise. Everyone's been asking, so let's just do it. Say hi.
1 second.
Hi.
Hello.
Everyone's been like saying hi to you, so I thought might as well just call you. Hi. Say hi. You want some cake? This is really tasty, by the way. I'll give it to you from my crazy lot, because my crazy lot is so loving.
बहुत फास्ट बात करती है यार ये. अपने से नहीं होगा.
Happy birthday to me. Yay.
Happy birthday.
To me.
To you.
Yes. So I fed him the cake that was sent to me by my crazy lot. So you want to say thank you to them for the cake? Cake कैसा है?
Cake बहुत अच्छा है ये.
I'm falling.
एक मिनट sorry.
Okay. हाँ, now say.
The cake is really good, and anyway I love the, what do you call it?
Blueberry cheesecake.
Blueberry cheesecake.
Yeah, he loves cheesecake. In
I
fact.
love cheesecake.
Yeah. So everyone's saying hi. Let's
Hi,
take a few
everybody.
questions.
Hi Zed.
Okay, anyway. Where is Anam? Anam is resting. She's just resting. She's sleeping. Someone says you are biased. No, I'm not. Hi, who's that? Tridevi
That's my
Shraddha.
phone, yummy cake.
Who's operating your phone? Where's your phone?
I think Razi has my phone.
Razi, stop commenting from his phone. So this is what I wanted to do, share my happiness with all of you. We're enjoying our cake. Thank you to my crazy lot who sent it. Wow, there are like 2,600 people.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
बहुत फास्ट बोलते हैं ये, बहुत फास्ट बोलते हैं. हम तो इतना बोल ही नहीं पाते यार.
Yeah, I know your speed is like when you're on your live, you're like really like आराम से, right?
Yeah, I go very slow. I see one. Yeah, Anam here.
Anam, aja, come in the live. Anam, come. It'll be so much fun.
Anam won't come.
Okay, fine. She can't come, but
She's
in any
wearing
case.
one.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. They're saying you're so cute. Thank you so much. You look must together. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
He says hi. Everybody wants to know where Anam is, by the way.
Anam is resting.
Okay. But in any case, thank you guys for making it so special. Why are you carrying a pea?
It's
Who's
happy
pea?
birthday, Aladdin.
No.
Who's pea?
Who's pea?
I want to pee.
No, you don't want to pee. Go pee.
Okay, you carry on. I'll just go out.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
Thanks for joining.
Bye,
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Love you guys.
Oh, Zaman is also here. Hi, Zaman. How
Hi,
are
Zaman.
you?
I'm going now.
You know, he's very, very talented singer, Zaman Astitva. Yeah, so everybody go follow him. He's fantastic. I in fact did a live with him as well. You know, he made me sing, right?
You were 2008, 91.
That's true, right?
Woo!
That's true. Woohoo! Belated happy birthday, Khan Saab. Thank you so much. What's the relation? Why should
cake
like,
khao, cake
yeah.
khao. Cake khao, jaldi.
Why do people need a tag? Why do they need a status, like a relationship status? Why?
So it's like,
Why do you think?
I think because they love us.
So they want to know why.
They want to know each
why
and
is this
everything.
chemistry, right? Yeah. So it's fine, guys. You can just keep guessing. हाँ, मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि कुछ चीजें आराम से personal होती हैं. And as long as you see that 2 people are happy, 4 people are happy, 8 people are happy, let them be happy. Let's just not judge and put like a tag on it.
Yeah.
So just enjoy yourselves and let us enjoy ourselves and just spread happiness, just spread joy. You're eating a lot of cheesecake. Why are you eating so much
Because
cheesecake?
I love cheesecake.
I know you do. You want to go share it with everybody outside?
Yes, of course.
Okay, fine. Shruti, hi Shruti. Do you know Shruti?
Mm-hmm.
Of course you know Shruti from Shamak. Shruti Agarwal.
Yeah. Shruti.
Yeah, you Shruti. She's in Australia now.
What is she doing there?
Prabal and Shruti are married. Prabal is my Rakhi brother. So yeah. You want to say hi to them?
Shruti, oh.
She Gandu.
My Shama people.
Yeah, all your Shama people. Alright, so thank you so very much for making my birthday so special. We're on almost 3,000 people watching us. That's fantastic. I love you guys. I love you so much. Bye bye. Take care of
Oh, you're
yourselves.
going now?
Yeah.
Why? You don't want to talk like...
I did already. We've got questions.
Okay. I don't...
You wanna go or you wanna stay?
I'll go. You just say bye to them.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
You look beautiful together. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
I've fallen off the beanbag. Baba, you take this, na?
Take no, we'll take it later.
Okay, fine. Vimal is saying don't go Zen. Love from USA. Love you. Thank you so much. Love. Everyone's like hi. So thank you so much. Everyone's like no, don't go. Zed, nobody wants you to go, by the way. Oh, I'm just, my hair is just melting. It's just falling all over the place. Save it, please. Of course, I will save this live. Don't worry about it. I'm trying to see a few questions. Love from Gujarat says Bhakti. Hi, Bhakti. How are you? I see so many new people on the live. That's fantastic. Beautiful you says Smitten21. Thank you. Zaid ko bulaiye. He's just left. If he wants to come, he can come back. I don't know. Maybe he's busy. Happy birthday to the very pleasant girl. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Palak Gaurav. Zaman says you're such a good soul, pure soul. We all love you. Thank you so much. It's so sweet that everybody calls me a pure soul. I mean, that's like the best compliment ever, right? Like, it's just like, it's not talking about how you're on the outside, but it's talking about how you're on the inside, and that is so fantastic. So thank you so much for that, Zaman. You look so beautiful, ma'am, says it's me, Jasmine. Thank you. Aneri is sending me unicorns and happy belated birthday. Everyone's wishing me so cutely. Alright, so hi, Dia is also here. The Gohar Khan. Everyone's saying happy birthday. You're indeed a pure soul. Thank you so much, Avani and Brinda. Hi, Brinda. How are you? Alright, so we're almost done. Thank you very much for joining my live. I tried to take as many questions as I can. Hi Ramsha, hi Ridhima. What's your skincare routine? Well, I have one of my skincare routine videos on YouTube, which is my YouTube channel, which is Gaur Khan. Go check that out. Otherwise, I just try and remain happy, and I guess that's why everything looks okay. Also, a ring light works wonders. So don't wear too much base and be in front of a ring light because it just looks too artificial. So if your skin is clear, all you need is a good light and you look wonderful in front of the camera. I guess that's why it works. Come to Dubai, come to Delhi soon. Yeah, nah, I really want to come to Delhi. One part of my family is there. And I'm missing them so much. I think the last month that I was in Delhi was in March. So yeah, I'm really missing Delhi. In any case, thank you so much for joining in. I love all of you. My birthdays are always special thanks to you. And I look forward to my birthday next year now. अरे यार अभी ये 363 days कब जाएंगे? It's like I want to get old. Like every year I get so excited about my birthday that I feel like I really want to get older. But it doesn't matter. Age is just a bloody number. And anybody who defines you by your age is actually got something missing in their own life. So don't pay attention to that. Be young at your heart. Be happy no matter what you are, no matter where you are. Everything will get better. I know this lockdown time is so tough for all of us, and I hope and pray that everybody gets all their wishes come true. Just work hard and inshallah everything will be all right. I love you. Bye. See you. Thank you for joining.